Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here with another dimension of Things Fall Apart. We are going to discuss what are the basic differences between the European colonizers and the natives, which are Igbo people. So the very first difference between those two people or those two groups or those two societies is the difference of religion. Now religion is a very manifested sort of difference between them. Natives are polytheists and they believe in their supreme god, that is Chakwu, and afterwards there are minor gods for different purposes whom they worship. And after that, after this category of minor gods, there is oracle. They believe and they consult in different political as well as different societal problems and issues. While on the other hand, the colonizers are monotheists. They believe in one God. They believe that God is the creator of everything, and then afterwards there is no demigod, there is no semi-god, or there are no minor gods. So this is the very first and very major difference between them, that one sect or one group of people believe in so many different gods, while the others believe in only one God. Now the second major difference between them is their system of politics or their political systems. Now the political system of natives revolves around religion. Like whatever happens or whatever they consider a crime, they believe that it is to be decided in a tribal council, and that tribal council is operated on the basis of religion. Whenever they feel that they cannot go to a result, that they cannot make a verdict, or that they cannot decide a case, they go and consult oracle, and then in the same process they go for the religious issues and the religious teachings, and then they come and decide the issue. So their political system is basically revolving around religion. While on the other hand, the political system of the Europeans or the colonizers is what they call a democracy. Then they have a proper administration system that run the affairs of the society, that operate different functions in the society, and then for punishment and law they have court system as well. So this is another basic difference between those two group of people. Like the political system is different from the colonizers. Why? Because natives believe in those religious affairs, while the colonizers believe in proper political administration. Then the third major difference is their system of economy. Again, system of economy is different of colonizers from that of the Igbo people. The currency of Igbo is cowrie. Like what they deal in cowries, bag of cowries. Their currency is cowrie, while the colonizers basically they are European, and the attempt is, or the signals or indicate that they are British colonizers. So obviously their currency is British pound. Now but this is to be remembered in this novel, that the colonizers, they do not deal in British pound. What they deal in cowries. When they take over different villages of that society, they start dealing in cowries, and when they put punishment on a concave and different people of that Igbo society, so they ask for 500 or 600 cowries in as a punishment or as a penalty. They don't deal in British pounds. The one reason that is behind this dealing in cowrie could be that they want to have the money and they want to extract all the money, or another thing could be that they want to deal in that money so that the natives could get idea that they cannot go away from the Britishers or from the colonizers. So this is the third difference between them. Moving towards the another difference, that is social hierarchy. Again, the social hierarchy or the social system of the natives is different from that of colonizers. Natives, the very first or the basic pillar is Chakwu, the master or the supreme god. Then on the second tier there are minor gods, then there is oracle, then after oracle there are religious persons, and then there are common people. So this is the hierarchy, or this is the hierarchical system or social hierarchy of the natives. While on the other hand, The hierarchy of colonizers is that there is God, one supreme God who is the creator of everything, and then the state or the country or the affairs are governed by the queen, and the queen has set up a proper administration where governors and ministers and everyone is playing its part. And then they believe that queen, administration and the common people, they all are equal. Like they believe that all are the sons of God, all are the children of God, so they all are equal. There is no superiority or inferiority among those people. So this is the hierarchy of the society of colonizers, while on the other hand the hierarchy of the Igbo people is totally different from them. Then there are some other social differences as well between the colonizers as well as the Igbo people. Like Igbo people, they use horses for their transportation or for their transcommutation, and then they do not have clothes. Like we get an indication that when a person is beating his wife, she runs away, so her breasts move. Why? And she puts her hand in front of her breast so that they could not move. So this tells us that she was naked. So similarly, all people are naked. They do not wear clothes and they do not have shoes as well. Why? Because one among them is running and he hits something from his with his leg. So we get an idea that there are no shoes with them as well. Plus the wine they use, they use palm wine, and this is very obvious that they do not have any education. And their society, their whole economy system is based in agriculture. Like they are agricultural people. Then the colonizers use bicycles. Like they do not use horses and another thing, they use bicycles because they are modern people. Similarly, they do not use palm wine, they use wine. They have clothes, good clothes as well, they have shoes, and they have proper education. So this is another dimension. Now to summarize this whole lecture today, the religion is the main difference between them. One believe in so many gods, the colonizers believe in one god. Then they have a political system. The political system of Igbo is based in religion, while the political system of colonizers is basically that of proper administration and democracy and court system. Then the system of economy is again different. Igbo believe in cowries, while they deal in British pounds. And then social hierarchy, their social hierarchy is different, and then hierarchy of colonizers is basically different. Why? Because they believe in God, and then everyone is equal because they all are the sons of God. And then the society, the Igbo have no society, while Igbo have no education, while colonizers have education. And their way of life, the way of life of Igbo is backward. Their way of life is without the luxury and without those facilities, while the life of colonizers is basically facilitated with so many luxuries and so many items. So this was today's lecture. I hope it is clear and everyone has got something out of it. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment box, or you can relate, or if there is any other dimension that you want me to discuss, you can put it into the comment box. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.